Today we're checking out the simple modern classic tumbler, 24 ounces, midnight black, and giving you my honest thoughts. Right off the bat, this is a double-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel tumbler, 18/10 material, that promises a sweat-free exterior, so no condensation, and is built to keep your drinks hot or cold for hours. One of its big draws is that it includes two lids, a straw lid and a flip lid, giving you flexibility in how you drink. The shape is tapered so it fits standard cup holders, which is a must for me when on the go. Regarding durability, since it's made from quality stainless steel and a well-known brand, it feels premium and solid in hand. On it holds an S-Choice badge, indicating strong ratings and purchase volume. Now, in actual use, I noticed that cold drinks stayed nicely chilled for many hours, though I didn't push it to extremes, and the exterior remained dry to the touch. No annoying sweat marks. The flip lid is convenient for sipping hot drinks, and the straw lid is great for iced beverages. The only mild downside is that cleaning the straw and lids takes a bit of care. You'll want a thin brush, and you'll want a hand wash. Manufacturer says hand wash only, to maintain the finish. Also, since there are two lids, make sure you keep track of both. I nearly misplaced one. In terms of price, I saw listings vary, depending on color, size, but given the build quality and features, I think the cost is justified for daily use. For people commuting, office use, gym, or just for everyday hydration, this tumbler is a solid pick. If you like what you see, check it out. We share by links in description box.